In this video, I'm going to show you the two different types of Pythagorean theorem problems. First one is, how do I solve for missing hypotenuse using Pythagorean theorem? Now, the hypotenuse is the side that is directly across from the right angle. The right angle being the thing that looks like an L. It's a 90-degree angle. It looks like the corner of a square, and you'll see we'll put a little square in this spot of the triangle to identify that it is a right angle. So in this example, we have 34 as a leg and 41 as an A. Pythagorean theorem says a to the power 2 plus b to the power 2 is equal to c to the power 2, where c is the hypotenuse. So this side here is c, which makes one of this legs here, usually the vertical one that goes up and down, we'll call that one a. And then the bottom one, the base, the horizontal one, we'll call b. So once I figure out what side is a, what side is b, and what side is c, I can then go ahead and plug in values into Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem just states that you need two of these values, and you can use those two to get the other ones. So I know a is 34. So 34 to the power 2 plus b, which is 41 to the power 2, is equal then to c to the power 2. We don't know what c is, so I'm just going to call it c. That's what we're trying to find. Now, you could put these in your calculator. I'm going to show you on Desmos. So 31 to the power 2 is, oh, it's not 31, is it? It's 34. 34 to the power 2 is 1,156. And then 41 to the power 2 is 1681. Go back to my screen here. This is 1156 plus 1681. And I just put that in my calculator to reduce it. And that's equal to c to the power 2. Okay, so now I can add these together, which I'll go ahead and do in my calculator. 1156 plus 1681, which is 2837. So this is equal to 2837. And again, we still don't know what c is, so I'm going to leave it as c to the power 2. Now, in order to get rid of the power 2, we have to take the square root of both sides here. So square root of that and the square root of c to the power 2. That'll undo the second power and leave me with just c, which I'm going to kind of finish the equation over here because I ran out of room. So the square root, which is down here, it's this button right here. So square root of 2837. 53.26. I'm going to look to round it to 2 decimal places. So its neighbor is a 3, which is not 5 or greater. So we will round it down by just cutting this rest piece off here. Sorry, this piece off here. Leaving me with 53.26. 53.26 is my final answer. So I know this length here is 53.26. And that is how we solve for a missing hypotenuse using Pythagorean theorem.